You're eating better, moving more, and trying to lose weight, but the results seem frustratingly slow. The problem may not be your effort at all because metabolism operates far beneath the surface. Every movement, thought, and heartbeat depends on tiny cellular structures responsible for producing energy. Most people think metabolism is one thing, but it's actually a network of biological systems. One of the earliest signs of metabolic trouble can begin before most people notice anything unusual. When metabolism begins slowing down, one of the first systems affected is your body's energy production. Even after sleeping well, your cells may struggle to generate the amount of energy they once produced. Many people blame stress or lack of sleep when the real issue may involve metabolism. Your brain consumes enormous amounts of energy every day, making it sensitive to metabolic changes. If low energy appears alongside unexpected weight changes, the underlying issue becomes even more concerning. One of the most frustrating signs is gaining weight even though your eating habits haven't changed much. When energy use decreases, the body may begin storing more calories instead of burning them efficiently. Your liver helps regulate energy balance, making it one of the most important metabolic organs. The issue isn't always how much you eat, but how effectively your body uses available energy. Sometimes the earliest clue appears when clothes fit differently despite maintaining the same daily routine. Another overlooked warning sign is constantly feeling cold while people around you seem perfectly comfortable. Your body generates heat as a natural byproduct of metabolism, making temperature closely connected to energy use. Because the thyroid influences metabolic activity, changes here can affect how much heat your body produces. Many people experiencing metabolic slowdown first notice colder hands and feet throughout the day. And for many people, the next warning sign becomes visible long before they recognize the cause. Your hair grows from living follicles that require energy, nutrients, oxygen, and healthy hormonal support. Hair may seem simple from the outside, but each follicle depends on constant biological support. When metabolism slows, some energy-demanding tissues may receive fewer resources than they previously enjoyed. This is one reason thyroid-related metabolic issues sometimes appear alongside noticeable changes in hair. While occasional shedding is normal, persistent changes may signal that something deeper is affecting the body. The next warning sign doesn't appear in the mirror because it affects how clearly your mind functions. Although it represents only a small portion of body weight, the brain demands enormous energy daily. Every decision, memory, and conversation depends on billions of brain cells continuously using energy. Many people describe brain fog as feeling mentally slow even when they know they should be alert. And surprisingly, another important sign may originate in a place most people never expect to check. Metabolism affects more than body weight because it also influences how efficiently your digestive system functions. Every stage of digestion requires coordination between muscles, enzymes, hormones, and energy-producing cells. Inside your intestines lives a complex microbial ecosystem that may influence digestion and metabolic health. Your body benefits from food only after nutrients are successfully absorbed and delivered where needed. Frequent bloating, sluggish digestion, or ongoing discomfort may sometimes accompany broader metabolic changes. One of the simplest ways to support metabolism is reducing long periods of uninterrupted sitting throughout the day. Even light movement activates muscles, increases circulation, and encourages the body to use more energy. At the cellular level, movement stimulates systems responsible for producing usable energy throughout the body. The surprising part is that a short walk influences multiple organs, not just your muscles. And the next habit may be even more powerful because it supports recovery for several hours. Quality sleep gives the body time to regulate hormones, repair tissues, and restore normal metabolic function. Many metabolic hormones follow daily rhythms that depend heavily on consistent sleep patterns. The brain constantly communicates with the thyroid to help regulate how much energy the body uses. Healthy metabolism ultimately depends on millions of cells continuously producing energy throughout the day. And that's exactly why improving daily habits can have such a powerful impact on metabolism. The foods you eat provide the raw materials your cells need to create usable energy. Digestion breaks food into smaller components that can eventually be used throughout the body. Eating healthy foods matters, but nutrients must first be absorbed before the body can use them. Your organs constantly depend on nutrients and oxygen to maintain normal metabolic activity. Small daily improvements can support long-term metabolic health, and we'll explore more science in the next one.